everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to enable Do Not Disturb for Honor of Kings. If pop-ups, messages or calls keep breaking your concentration while playing Honor of Kings, then you can enable Do Not Disturb or DND and it can help you enjoy smoother gameplay. So here's how you can do it. Launch open the Honor of Kings game on a device and log in. From the main lobby screen of Honor of Kings, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, tap on Features and Privacy on the left corner. Now, from the Features and Privacy, scroll all the way down and once you see this Online Status tab, tap on Do Not Disturb. Once you do that, you'll be able to turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Make sure that there is a tick mark right in front of Do Not Disturb in order to turn on the option. And now, you can play Honor of Kings without interruptions from notifications or alerts. That's it. Enabling Do Not Disturb for Honor of Kings helps you stay focused, avoid distractions, and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.